Greetings. Well, nobody knows better than those who have suffered what a lack of heat means during the winter. It means your home is no longer a safe place where you can rest and relax, and the same clothing required outside is now required inside, when you should have the ability to walk around butt naked if you so choose to. But wrapped around blankets and clothing has become the standard for many who know in advance what they can expect once the winter arrives. Well, last week, Mayor Eric Adams and Governor Kathy Hochul announced that Nycha, along with the New York City Power Authority and the New York Energy Research and Development Authority, are moving forward towards the Clean Heat for All Challenge through a $70 million investment for the development and production of new heat pumps across New York City public housing. 30,000 of these pumps are going to be distributed across the board, but let's take a look at what they actually look like. Hey, if it brings the heat and solves the problem, bring it on. We shall see.